Now let's see about select tool and cropping a picture. First one, select tool. This tool is used to select a part of a drawing or picture. Three types of selection tools are there, like rectangle selection, freeform selection and select all. You can see select tool when you click on file tab. Now children, you can see these images clearly. Commonly three tabs are there. They are file, home and view. Among them, file tab is activating now because select tool is presented under the file tab. Now we can see the select tool in this picture. One more thing you should know children, three tabs are there, isn't it? Each one tab contains some groups. Each group contains some tools. For example, now you can see select tool, isn't it? This select tool is presented in the image group. Image group is presented under which one tab? File tab. Clear? One more thing, just look at this picture carefully. Some drop down arrows are presented near some tools. What are the uses of these arrows? When you click on drop down arrow, you can see a drop down menu. Some more tools are presented in the drop down menu. If you want to see some more extra tools, you can use this drop down arrow. Clear children? For example, if you click brushes drop down arrow, you can see some type of brushes. When you click select tool drop down arrow, you can see the types of selection. Now let's see how to use select tool. To use this tool, first click on the file tab, then click on the select button in the image group. After that, we can see rectangle selection tool, freeform selection tool and select all tool in the drop down menu. Rectangle selection tool is used to select rectangular or square portion of the picture. Now you can see this image clearly. First one picture is selected by rectangular selection tool. Next, freeform selection tool. It is used to select irregular part of the picture. Just to see this image, we cannot find any shape here. If you want to select nose, eyes or any another part separately, it can be done using freeform selection tool. Now you can see the differences between rectangular selection tool and freeform selection tool. Last one, select all tool. Select all tool is used to select the whole picture. The whole page will be selected using this tool. Next, let's see how to crop a picture in MS Paint. What's meant by crop? Crop means to remove an unwanted portion of the picture. The crop option is used to keep selected portion of a picture and delete the remaining part of the picture. Simply, it is a way to edit out edges of an image what you don't want. The resulting image will be smaller and may have a new aspect ratio. I hope you can see this image clearly. This image is an example of a large image that was cropped to make it smaller. Children, you can follow some steps to crop an image. First step, click on the select button. What I told already, select button is there in the image group under the file tab, isn't it? Just click on that button. Next step, move the mouse pointer and select a part of the picture. Last step, click on the crop button. At last, the cropped image will appear as a new image. Children, I hope you have understood about select tool and cropping a picture. I repeat once again, select tool is used to select a part of a drawing or picture. It has three types. They are rectangular selection, freeform selection and select all tool. Crop means to remove an unwanted portion of the picture. The crop option is used to keep selected portion of a picture and delete the remaining part of the picture. Thank you children. God bless you.